In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to your HubSpot CRM. This is a quick and straightforward process that should take you just about 5 minutes, making it ideal for those who want to streamline their communication and keep everything integrated within HubSpot. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will guide you to the login page where you can access your HubSpot account. Now, if you're like most people and use Google for many of your services, you can take advantage of the Sign In with Google option. Click on this button and a window will pop up asking you to select the Google account you wish to use. Choose the one associated with your CRM work, and you'll be logged in immediately, saving time and ensuring a seamless integration later on. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the Settings option. Click on it, and this will take you to the Settings menu where you can make various adjustments to suit your preferences. In the Settings menu, search for the Email tab sitting at the top of your screen. Clicking on this tab will open the options for managing your email settings. This is where you'll be able to connect your email to HubSpot. Find the button that says Connect Personal Email and click on it. Following this, look for the option that says Connect Your Inbox. Clicking on this button will prompt you to enter your email address. Type in the address that you wish to connect to your HubSpot account. After entering your email, click on the Next button to proceed. Here you will see an option that says Connect to Gmail if you're setting this up with a Gmail account, which is a common choice for many users due to its widespread use and reliability. Click on it. You'll then be asked to click on Continue to authorize the connection. Go ahead and click Continue, and you'll be able to choose the Gmail account you wish to link to your HubSpot account. Select your account from the list provided, and just like that, you'll have integrated your email inbox with HubSpot CRM. This integration is a fantastic way to optimize your workflow by ensuring that all your email communications are accessible from within HubSpot, helping you manage leads and contacts more effectively. That's it for today's tutorial. Follow these steps and you'll be connected in no time.